Hello everybody, this is Virendra Jagdale and today I am showing you the demo of project 5 assignment traffic, which is part of Harvard course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Basically here what we are doing is using the convolution neural network model to identify the traffic images, signal images, and for this we are initially starting with we are using basically sequential module and using the convolution layer with 32 filters and max pooling layer, then the flatten layer, and one hidden layer of 128 nodes, and then dropout of 0.5, and lastly the output layer, that is the final output of 33 categories. And here also for compiling we are using the optimizer as Adam and default learning rate as 001. So after we tried many combinations, and this initial combination gives us very poor accuracy. It is hardly 5% of accuracy. So then we started with the adding the convolution layer. We added one additional convolution layer of 62 filters and pooling layer that we tried average and max, either of these two, and we are getting significant improvement in our accuracy. So after that we actually added dense layer also, and here we found even more improved accuracy results. That is, we initially tried with first layer as 128 nodes and second as 256. It gives us the best result. If we are going down, like we are using first layer as 128 nodes and then second hidden layer as a 64 nodes, then it is little bit low side of this accuracy. So finally we decided to go with the dense layer of first layer as 120 nodes and another layer of 256. Apart from this, we tried also the dropout layers. If we are changing even without dropout layer, we got excellent accuracy. It is almost 98%. But the dropout is required to make sure that our model is not overly fitted. So we tried to configure with different values of this dropout layer, and what we found is 0.25 dropout layer. It is giving us around 97% of accuracy. So I think we improved a lot. We started with 0.5 means 5% of accuracy, 0.05 accuracy, and we reached to almost 98% of accuracy. So these are the observations. Thank you.